In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Firebase Analytics into your Android app. By the end, you'll have your project connected to Firebase, the required configuration file in place, the right libraries added, and Firebase Analytics initialized so you can start collecting insights. First, set up a project in the Firebase console and register your Android app. Open your browser, go to the Firebase console, and create a new project. Give it a clear name so your team can recognize it. Then in the project overview, choose the Android option to add an app. Enter your app's package name exactly as it appears in your module's build.gradle file under application ID. This must match perfectly or the configuration won't work. You can add an app nickname if you want, and the SHA1 is optional for analytics. Click through to register the app. Next, download the Google Services JSON file when prompted. This file uniquely ties your Android app to the Firebase project you just created. Move that file into your app module's root directory, usually named app. If Android Studio offers to place or update the file for you, accept that prompt. If you have multiple build variants, keep only one Google Services JSON per module and make sure it matches the right package name. Now add the Firebase SDK dependencies to your app's Gradle files. In your top-level build.gradle or settings.gradle, ensure the Google Services plugin is available. In your app-level build.gradle, apply the Google Services plugin and add the Firebase bill of materials to manage versions. Then include the analytics dependency, such as the Firebase Analytics KTX library if you're using Kotlin. Sync your project so Gradle can download everything. If the sync fails, double-check that the plugin line is applied in the module file and that your repositories include Google's Maven. Finally, initialize Firebase Analytics in your code. In your application class or your main activities on Create, get an instance of Firebase Analytics. For example, create a property and set it with the Analytics instance so it's accessible where you need it. Initializing in the application class is a good choice if multiple screens will log events. After building and running the app, Firebase automatically collects basic events and user properties. For deeper validation during development, you can use Analytics Debug View to confirm events are arriving in real time. That's it. You created a Firebase project and registered your app, added Google Services JSON, pulled in the required SDKs, and initialized Firebase Analytics. You're ready to start logging custom events and understanding user behavior.